Welcome to the Preserves at Park Trace by DR Horton. I'm excited to introduce the Preserves at Park Trace by DR Horton, a new community where luxury means nature, with beautifully designed homes, top quality craftsmanship, and a range of floor plans. This neighborhood offers something for everyone. Enjoy family-friendly amenities, green spaces, and a prime location with easy access to shopping and dining. Built with sustainability and comfort in mind, the Preserves at Park Trace is perfect for living in a serene setting. Contact me today to learn more and schedule a private tour. Does this meet your needs?